guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, another Halloween look, and this one is super quick and easy. If you need a last minute costume idea, throw on some jeans, a flannel, and do this makeup look. And you'll find out how to do this makeup look if you keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my base and my brows done, so we're going to get started with some black liquid liner and draw out the nose. So we just made a teardrop shape on the nose, and then we'll go through and add stitches around it. Just like that. And now we're going to add a mouth. So we're drawing a line out here. And now we're going to add stitches to that as well. Okay, now I'm going to fill in my lips with some dark orange lipstick. Any black, brown, or orange would do. Okay, now we're going to fill in our nose with an orange shadow. Any orange shadow will do. I am going to use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia and use the color Relgar to fill in my nose orange. Perfect. And now I'm going to take the same eyeshadow color on a bigger brush and just draw in some circular motions to add some blush to our cheeks. Remember, you can always defuse your blush with a beauty blender, but we are keeping it pretty strong for the costume. Now I'm taking that same eyeshadow color, Relgar, on a fluffy brush and blending it into the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going to take a gold shade. I'm using Primavera from the same palette and just packing that on the lid. Now I'm taking some black liquid liner and I'm going to make a wing. Now using the same liner, I'm going to draw in some longer bottom lashes. Now I'm going to fill in my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay, and this quick and easy Halloween tutorial is finished. We have ourselves a really cute scarecrow. This look is super easy. If you have a last minute Halloween party, just throw on a flannel, do this makeup look, and you'll be set. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at SophiaDoingMakeup and comment down below if there's any other Halloween costume ideas you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.